We all had that day, that moment when you see a dog running towards you and you run away as fast as you can. But didn't you notice that you were faster, so much faster than usual? Well, congratulations, you just had an adrenaline rush. But how, why, and what does it mean exactly? You saw the threat, the danger, and you felt it. Its sensory information reaches the hypothalamus, a portion of the brain that has the important function of receiving neuronal input, which comes from the word neuron, a cell that acts like a transmitter to electrical and chemical signals in the brain. And in the same time, another signal is sent to the adrenal glands, and as a consequence to that input and signal, adrenaline or epinephrine is released into the bloodstream, along with the stress hormone, norepinephrine and cortisol. And all of this makes adrenaline a hormone. After this, you speed up, your muscles tense up, and you become much more alert. Your heart rate and blood pressure increases, your pupils dilate to take in more light, and more glucose is sent within the blood, which allows more energy to be used by the muscles. In short, you become Superman for a short amount of time. I take as an example two American sisters who, on their way home, found their father stuck under a tractor. The two sisters in stress and fear, and with the only goal of saving their father, no matter what, managed to lift the tractor enough to save their father. And I kid you not, the tractor weighed more than 1.5 tons. Yes, you heard it, 1.5 tons. You require more than 50,000 Newton of force to actually lift that up. Something impossible to do in normal times. Well, as I mentioned before, in the stage of stress and fear, our bodies release a huge amount of energy by releasing so much adrenaline and cortisol, which makes you 10 times stronger, or more. But keep in mind, going beyond the limits of what is normally possible has major consequences to the body, because the two sisters were bedridden for 2 days straight after the event. In many situations like sport competitions, adrenaline gives a huge boost, either in jumping, running, swimming, or other activities. Still, an adrenaline overload should be avoided. Who wants to get a heart attack while competing? So don't rely too much on adrenaline. As a conclusion, I think that it's pretty surprising and amazing how everyone's body can do this without even having to think about it. It could save our lives someday. Who knows? Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Youness TOUZANI and this was Adrenaline. Thank you for watching.